Okay, so these are just some questions that we're going to kind of think about on here that we just kind of need to discuss looking at this. It says, Mrs. Fan asked her 5th grade class to create a number line, and Lennox created this number line below. So we've got 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Parks says that Lennox number line is wrong because numbers should always increase from the left to the right, because that's how we normally would read and everything else. And it says who is correct and explain your thinking. And actually, Parks is incorrect, and Lennox is right. Okay, the reason why Lennox is right is because, first of all, our number line still goes in intervals of 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So it's in the correct intervals, okay? Another thing is that our number lines, if you noticed on one of the other pages, our number line was backwards. They can be forward or backward as long as the intervals that are in between are equal. Now, if he would have labeled this like 3, it would have been incorrect. If he would have labeled this as 9, he would have been incorrect. But because the intervals, the distance between the two are equal, they're all the same, so this has a distance of 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2, he is correct, that you can have your number line going either which way. It does not matter, okay? Number 5, it says a pirate marked his palm tree on his treasure map and buried his treasure 30 feet away. Do you think he's going to be able to easily find his treasure when he returns? Why or why not? And what might he do to make it easier to find? So here's his little island. Here's his palm tree. It says, look for the treasure 30 feet from this tree. Will he be able to find it easily? No, he won't. The reason is how do I know which way to go? I have no idea which direction from the palm tree I need to go. I could go this way, could go this way, that way, or that way. He's got to be able to specify which way he is going to be able to go. So what might he do to make it easier to find is he probably needs to tell us which direction. So we need to know which direction from the tree to go. Okay, so these are just some kind of things. First of all, number lines can go either way. We can start them from a bigger number and decrease it, or we can start it from a smaller number and increase it. It doesn't matter which way it goes as long as the intervals are correct. Another thing is when you are making a map, you've got to be able to specify which direction we can go. He'll spend a lot of time trying to look to see which way he needs to go for that 30 feet. Eventually he would find it, but he will be able to find it easier if we knew which direction we needed to go.